So hey people, what is up? Today's video is all about digital gold and how you can invest in digital gold through UPSTOX. I will clear all your doubts like how much money do you need to start with if you are a student or college going guy or girl. Is it okay? Is it safe for you to invest in digital gold like you do in shares? So are you able to sell this gold like shares or not? And everything that you need to know about digital gold, I have got you all covered. So sit tight and watch the video till the end. So what comes to your mind when you think about buying gold? Going to a jewelry store or some nearby shop to buy some gold coins or any pieces of jewelry like nose pin, earrings or any other physical form of gold. But buying digital gold is super easy. With ease in buying comes no hassle of security. It means since the form is digital, you don't need to worry about physically keeping it in your house and worrying about its security. The issuing company, the gold issuing company will take care of everything, and they have all the insurances needed to protect their warehouses from fire or theft. So your gold is 100% safe. Your gold will be stored in Brinks vaults. This is the very trusted brand in India for security purposes, and you can see the awards here. The gold that you're gonna invest in will be certified by BIS, that is the Bureau of Indian Standards, as 24 karat 99.9% purity certified. So you don't need to worry about the quality and the purity of the gold that you're gonna put your money in, as it is the highest in the market that you will find. If we look at the old school method or the conventional method of buying gold, it was practically impossible to buy the gold below rupees 2000 or 3000 or below 1 grams. But with UPSTOX golds comes the ease of the least possible denomination. Yeah, you can start investing with a minimum of rupee 1, and there is no limit on the number of transactions. It means that you can buy gold throughout the day unlimited number of times, starting rupees 1 and goes till 1.99 lakhs. Now comes the part of selling the gold that you have invested in. Suppose you are in need of the money and you want to withdraw the amount that you have invested in UPSTOX gold. So can you do that? Yes, you can obviously do that. The thing is, there is a 5-day lock-in period. I'll explain you how. Suppose you bought 5000 worth of gold as per market value as of today, and if you want to sell the gold, you will have to wait just for 5 days, and after 5 days of settlement you can sell your 5000 value of gold at that current market price, and the amount will be given back into your bank account linked with UPSTOX. So there is no issue or no worrying about investing in gold for 5 years, 10 years. You can sell it whenever you want. So the most common doubt that you all must be having, that being a 20-year-old, should I invest in digital gold? Is this my thing? So I would recommend that if you can manage a very small proportion, as this investment starts with rupees 1. So if you can manage 50 rupees, 100 rupees or 200 rupees per month consistently for many years, then you should probably go for investing in digital gold. In the long run, in the long course of years, like the span of 10 years, 15 years, you will realize that you have accumulated a lot of wealth. So 100 rupees won't hurt us when it goes out of our pocket on a monthly basis, because I am also 20-year-old and I know what expenses we do when we go out. We eat random things and we don't realize, we don't care actually about that money. So being a smart millennial, being in 2021, we should think about making our wealth. And also I would like to clear one thing, that investing in digital gold is not an income generating procedure or process. What I mean is, like we do in shares, we see in shares that we put rupees 50 and next day it's 51, 52, 80, anything. The value increments in a quick snap of time. But with gold, there is nothing like that. You don't get any interest, you don't get any dividend, you don't get a quick cash. But what you see is in 10 years or 15 years, if any recession comes, anything happens, like you must be seeing in this COVID times, things are going wrong, things are going down, shares are going down, but the gold is growing up. So it is the safest bet that you can make. This was all and you are good to go for it. This was my first video on YouTube. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Stay safe, keep growing, keep learning. Bye.